Alright, so we're just going to be taking a look at our app called Pictoria. So when we open the app, it brings us to a login screen. Of course, we don't have an account yet, so we will just register. But if I try to log in, it'll say have incorrect login details. So if I were to try and register with nothing in here, it shows that it can't be the same, or it can't be empty. So I can add the new username. We'll just call it Ruzzel. And if I don't give it a password, it'll tell me that the password cannot be empty. So if I do the same here, if I do test stuff, for example, and add another and make the password the same as the username, it'll say that the password cannot be the same as the username. So this time, let's make a normal password. Let's just call it test and just make it different to our username, and then it'll work. If we just do register and then back to login, it'll just bring us back and forth. Now, if I try to log in, but I used the wrong password, it'll say I have incorrect login details. But then if I do the correct details, it will bring us into the new section. As you can see from the map here, if I shake the map, it'll bring us to where we are. As you can see here, Cyprus. Now, if I were to take, so there's not at the moment, there's nothing here. Right, so if we were to take a picture here, so we'll take a picture there like so, and then we click on the tick mark. It'll move us to where we are on the location. As you can see, we're currently in the library for UEL. And then if I take another picture, for example, like so, it'll also mark that. So if I zoom in, since we're in the exact same place, it didn't add the new marker, so that lets us know as well. And now also, so let's say if I move here and I wanted to shake the map, it'll move us back to where we are. And then it also have a button called clear markers. That will remove the markers if you wanted to. And now, if I wanted to share this image, for example, I can press on share. And then we'll use WhatsApp as an example, and I'll send it to my mobile app development group chat. And as you can see, it says extra details. So this image is taken by my username, which is I said as Ruzzel, from location here. And if I send that, it'll basically, I didn't have to do any work. The app did everything for me, and it sent all the information there. So now if you go back here, we go back to the menu, and then I can choose to log off, and it'll bring me back to the main menu.